On average, a FedEx truck is covering 100 miles per day, 6 days a week. That's more than 31,000 miles per year. To cover that annual mileage, each truck needs approximately 5 oil changes, 5 fluid changes, 2 brake changes, and dozens of other preventative maintenance updates. Vehicle downtime adds up fast. Tracking and planning preventative maintenance is a time suck for fleet owners. HTL Plus Slick saves you time and money with free on-yard maintenance for every on-yard vehicle. Plus, Slick can service your non-HTL vehicles for a flat monthly rate. Fleet owners can stop wrestling with preventative maintenance entirely. Instead, Slick's cutting-edge technology will monitor your truck's needs. When it's time for maintenance, a Slick crew member will perform the work overnight on yard. Your truck will be ready to go for your driver the next morning. Slick on-yard technology-driven solutions are included with all HTL leases. The HTL Plus Slick program is available within a 2 to 3 hour radius of 20 major markets. Use HTL Plus Slick so you can optimize your fleet, reduce downtime, leverage cutting-edge technology, and focus on running a successful business. Connect with our HTL team to learn more about how HTL can keep unpredictable fleet expenses off your plate.